Welcome back to the Add 10 Gallons Concrete Podcast. If you're able to see this on video, you will notice there's an empty chair to our right. Why is there an empty chair to our right? Because we have guests coming all day today here in the Add 10 Gallons Concrete Podcast, live on site, Orlando, Florida, the ConcreteWorks Trade Show. Joey, just got to say thank you, man, for all your hard work. Ran a really awesome demo yesterday. What'd you think about that live demo we ran?
I think we kicked it. Like, we were the only ones that made concrete. Everybody before and after us did presentations and they did slides and they shared data, which not to discount anything that those folks are doing, but we were like Emeril Lagasse, man. Like, we were really cooking on this show. Like, we were making concrete up on stage in front of everybody,
and we did. And we took a mix with and without Acti-Gel, compared them side by side, fresh concrete. People got their hands on it, got to trial on it, got to see the magic that we do every single day. Got to experience the same feelings that we give folks every time we come onto their job sites, and their concrete, whatever pain they're having, if that's a pain we can solve, then we're there to make that happen for you and make it so that the concrete producer's happy, the finisher's happy, and at the end of the day, it's just beautiful concrete.
Yeah. Like, we've been doing this for 12 years now, trying to tell people at these shows like what all we can do, how we can help them with different problems, but to be able to show these people like actually what it does, it's almost priceless. And going forward, I don't see a reason why we can't do many more of these. Like, even either at ConcreteWorks or some other shows. Like, we have to get Acti-Gel in action in front of people, and this is one of the best ways to do it.
Yeah, so shout out to the NRMCA. Mm-hmm. They put on this trade show, and it was them who came out and said, you know what, this is a pilot program to do demonstrations. And they were, I actually thought they were going to be upset with us because we were the only ones making concrete. Everybody else is given a PowerPoint presentation with maybe like a single prop that they're explaining what it is that their company's doing to advance the industry, which is awesome. But we were like, we need to make mud.
Yeah.
We need to get our hands dirty. People need to get their hands on it. Mm-hmm. And we thought they might be upset with us, but they actually was the opposite. They were so thankful that somebody was trying something different. Shout out to Ben Lentini from Heidelberg, Dustin Highland from Central Concrete, Tim Hertzak from Sylvie, Alec Yancey. I guess he's not with Fiber Force anymore. He's out on his own consulting firm. But Megan, Lorena. Mm-hmm. I mean, these people came and helped us because we had such a I don't know if it was complicated to perform, but it was complicated to set up in a really short amount of time. Mm-hmm. And we had a group of folks that came out and just really made sure that we were able to get it set up. As the concrete was mixing, they were helping us identify like what the good, the bad, and so make sure that the demo went off successfully. And so I just really appreciate our friends who were there to see the demo. They actually stepped up and they helped us make it the successful thing that it was.
Yeah, it took a lot of hands, and thankfully we had all those hands, because if you and I were up there trying to do all that, like, or at least set up, take down, everything else, we could have done it. But golly, like that, just having those extra set of hands was a tremendous help. So thank you all so much.
And be on the lookout. So we have 20 minutes of footage from that. We're going to slice that down into the parts that matter, and we're going to get that out onto LinkedIn and everywhere else so you guys can see what it was. So if you weren't here at the show, or you were at the show but you didn't get a chance to be one of the 60 or 70 people crammed into that demo space to witness the magic, we're going to put it out so that everybody will get a chance to see what it was. And we also will put out clips from our podcast that we have here. So we're expecting a big lineup today, and we'll get those out. Just look forward to talking to everybody here at this wonderful show.
Yeah, it's become, I've said it last year, I think at every interview that we did last year, this is my favorite show. I like this more than World of Concrete, more than anywhere else we go to. Like, this has become my favorite show to go to, just because of the atmosphere, the people that we know now. We're meeting more and more folks all the time, but it's just such a great atmosphere. It's laid back. People like to hang out, and the people that are here, you said it the other day, or you said it before on this trip, like, the people come here knowing that they're going to meet businesses that have products and services that can help them. And so they come here, either looking for solutions or being open-minded enough to listen to solutions. So I can't say enough about this show. I love it here.
relaxed but serious.
Yeah. Focused, maybe, I guess.
Yeah, focus is a great word. But you got decision makers here and we're all trying to help the industry move forward. And so when you have decision makers here that have the mindset that I'm going to come in and find out, well, what problems are being solved out here? Maybe I have that problem too. I mean, you can't ask for anything more.
Yeah. No, it's a great show. I love coming here. The cool thing is it's coming to Nashville next year, so it'll be on my home turf next year.
Yeah, lucky you. You don't have to fly in.
No.
Come drive straight over, have a good time. But our plan is to fly in and have a good time. But with that said, this has been our intro to NRMCA's Concrete Works. We got a lot more coming at you. Thank you so much. Thank you to NRMCA. Thank you to our friends. Thank you to all the new folks that we've met this week. You know, some names that you guys probably do know that it was for our first time meeting, and they've already been so gracious to us. So just thank you to everybody and look forward to finishing the show strong.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah.